Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our C programming series and we are going to learn about the C pointers in this video. If you have not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. Pointers. Pointers are easy to learn. Some C programming tasks are performed more easily with the pointers, and other tasks such as a dynamic memory allocation cannot be performed without using pointers. So it becomes necessary to learn pointers to become a perfect C programmer. First we will see what are pointers. A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable. That is, direct address of the memory allocation. Like any variable or a constant, you must declare a pointer before using it to store any variable access. Variable address. The general form of a pointer variable declaration is the pointer can be declared as with a type and the pointer name. Here type means a data type and with the pointer name. After data type, the pointer name will become, and the pointer name came with a asterisk symbol, which is used for the multiplication. Also we are using asterisk symbol. With that asterisk symbols, the pointer name is came here. The data type for a pointer, it can be a integer, character, float, double. Any type of a data type can be used to declare the pointer variable. Here are some valid pointer declarations are here. First one is a integer data type pointer. Second one is a double, then float and a character. How the pointer can be declared using these data types is shown here. Now we will see how to use a pointers. We have defined a pointer variable first. When we want to use a pointer, then we should have to first define the pointer variable, then assign the address of a variable to a pointer, then finally access the value at the address available in the pointer variable. This is done by using a unary operator, that is a asterisk symbol that returns the value of the variable located at the address specify its operand. This is how we use a pointers into the program. Now we will see a program for a pointer. First we declared here a preprocessor command, then we declared a main function, then we open a curly bracket here, and we declared here a variable, that is a integer variable var and equal to 20. We declared the variable here. Then we declared a pointer here, integer type pointer, or pointer name is a IP, and we stored the address of a var variable in a pointer variable, that is a IP is equal to %var. Here we are storing the address of a variable into a pointer variable. Then we are given here a printf statement. In a printf statement we are written address of a var variable is a %x. It will find the address of the var variable. Then we given a second printf statement that will store the pointer variable address. In a printf statement we are written here address stored in a IP variable. It will shows the address of a pointer variable where it is located into the memory. Then we are giving a third printf statement, that is a value of a IP variable. The value means what the value is holding pointer variable, that will be shown here, means we are accessing the value using the pointer variable. It will access the value of the variable to the pointer variable. Then we are returning the 0 and we closed here curly bracket. We ended our main function there. When the program will execute, what type of output we will get here? We will get an output like this. This showing the address of a var variable and address of the IP variable, and a value of a IP variable is a 20 here. Address of a var variable means where it is stored in a memory location, that address it will show, and pointer variable's address where it is stored into the memory location, that address will be shown here. And the value of a pointer variable means the pointer variable access the variable's value, and it will show here, that is a 20, because we declared the integer variable is equal to 20. So that a value will access the pointer variable, so it will showing us that IP variable is a 20. Now we'll see about the null pointers. A pointer that is assigned a null is called a null pointer. To assign a null value to a pointer variable in a case you do not have an extant address to be assigned, that this is done at the time of the variable declaration. The null pointer is a constant with a value of a 0 defined in several standard libraries. This is a program for the null pointer, and we are printing here the value of a pointer. When we will execute this program, we will get an output like this. The value of a pointer is a 0, because we declared here in a program that a pointer is a null, so we get output as the value of a pointer is a 0. This is how we used a pointers in a programming. Thank you for watching the video.